like that.
Okay, Elsa.
3 pieces of tape, so you just have to pull hard.
Tell me if you need help. Do you need help? Do you need help?
Boys,
I'm gonna
give her a chance. Put it on the ground, maybe? Put it on the floor.
Down. Good job, Elsa. Puppies. God.
What is
Oh my
it?
gosh.
Boys, let her say what it is. What is it, Elsa?
It's a ducky. And Elsa, there's puppies.
Elsa.
Oh, it's from Tinkerbell and the Neverbees? Yeah, it's Gruff. Elsa,
Wow,
puppies. I'll help you get him out.
Do you know who that's from, Elsa?
Yeah.
It's from Nana
Elsa.
Lee.
Come on. Nana Lee gave it to you, Elsa. Nana Lee gave it to me.
Oh, can you say thank you, Nana Lee?
Thank you, Nana Lee.
Oh, yay.
Elsa,